All right, so you already know today's Monday. You know what time it is. It's about to get your English going and get it right out of 10 and see how you can do. What's going on, my people? Beats or no Benski.
I moved to the floor.
Very good. Bemended? Bamulu having, yeah.
I moved to the floor.
By? With what? With the mop. Very good. Nice. Come on. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Mop, moluem. No. Mop, moluem. No. Good. Eski. Bemetrega, bitun etergaleo. Ay.
What is Taraga?
Taraga. Mindno mitarago. Marit mitarago?
Yes, floor.
Okay. Let me help you. It starts with S. Comment on baby. Let me yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
I forget.
You forget. It's okay. You're gonna remember. Sweep. You sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor with brush.
With?
Brush.
No, not brush. Broom.
Okay.
Brush is for, like, you can have a brush for here. You can have a brush for your clothes. All right? That's what a brush is. Huh? So I sweep with the broom. Say it.
I sweep with the broom.
Very good. Nice. I mop with the mop, right?
I mop the
With?
mop.
Very good. Because that is
With the mop.
very good. No? Matragam never? Matragia broom no. Darashu. Bru. Baka bru itale. Bru idale. Bru inezen. Matragia gazanabet. Kaza broom. Hona matragia broom no. Broom. Say broom 5 times.
Broom.
Nice. Matragam did now?
Sweep.
Ambassa bello. Nice. I sweep with the broom. Go ahead, say it.
I sweep with the broom.
I sweep with the broom. I sweep with the broom.
I sweep with the broom. I sweep with the broom. I sweep with the broom.
That's what I'm talking about.
With the broom.
Hello.
What are you?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Talk about it. Mindno. Ndezi makasha astamarsh. Mindno.
Hello. What are you doing?
Hello. Don't boyfriend is name. Hello, my boyfriend. Let's go. Hello.
Hello, my boyfriend. What are you doing?
Hello, my girlfriend. Now. What am I doing? Okay. You guess. Silkwan tizgiwa. Silkwan tizgiw.
Okay, guess.
Yeah. Guess. አትክልት ያጠጣነው በኝ
Are you planting water?
በስማም ቀረገልበጩ
Are you
watering no?
Are you watering plant?
Very good, nice. Yeah, you're my girlfriend now. All these people are here. አትችልም እንዴ ምናምን girlfriend ብለው ሙድ እንዳይዙብኛል. Come on now. Okay, let's go. Bang. Yeah. What?
Are you watering plant?
Nice. No, I'm not watering plants. Oh, ጠረክ ነው ቤት በኛ.
Sweep the floor.
Are you sweeping the floor? በኛ.
Are you sweeping the floor?
No, I'm not sweeping the floor. ላሞን ያለብካት ነው ወይ? What?
Are you milk a cow?
Ing ናተሻት.
Are you milking the cow?
No, I'm not milking the cow. ምን ያረክ ነው በይ?
What are you doing?
No, you tell me. What are you doing? አልኩሽ አንቺ መልሼ ማለት እያነበብኩ ነው በይኝ.
I'm reading now.
I'm reading now. ስለዚህ I'm reading ስትይ ምን ያረክሽ ነው? በአሁን ሰዓት ያደረግሽው ነው ማለት ሁሉ ጊዜ I am ምናምኒንግ ብለሽ ስታሰሪ ያን ነገር አሁን ያረኩት ነው ያልሽ ነው. ኦኬ እያወራኩ ነው በይኝ.
I'm speaking right now.
I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm speaking. ግን ደጋግመሽ የምታረጊው ነገር ከሆነ እንግሊዝም እሺ እንግሊዝም ለምሳሌ እሑድ ምንድነው የምታረጊው ስልሽ ቤተክርስቲያን ሄዳለሁ በይኝ.
I'm going to church.
እንግሊዝም
I'm going to
I am going አይባልም ይኸውልሽ አይቲና ድርጊቷን ብቻ
I go to church.
በቃ ምንም የለውም አነሰብሽ ይጨመር በቃ የለውም በቃ ምን እንደዛ ነው ኦኬ ቤተክርስቲያን ሄዳለሁ በእኛ
I go to church.
እበላለሁ
I eat. I sleep.
very good nice that's good what else huh
I'm dancing. I'm dancing.
ኢንጌል ለማልኩሽም
I'm dance.
አያም አይባልም አልኩሽም
I dance.
በቃ ምንም ነገር የለውም ሌላ ነገር አትጨምሪበት ኦኬ say it again
I dance.
አነባለሁ
I dance. I read.
እንደዚህ ያልሽ ነው የምትሰሪው ማለት ነው ጊዜ ሲኖር ማለት ነው ከድሮ ጀምራ እስካሁን ድረስ ያረከው ነገር ሲሆን አብል ብለህ ነው የምታስገባው አይ ለምሳሌ I've been teaching English for 15 years I've been teaching English for 15 years ስለዚህ እንደው የምትረኛ አንተ
I've been living in Dubai 7 years
for 7 years I'm just going to say I've been living in Dubai. 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 That's it.
I've been living in Dubai. I've living in Dubai.
I've been living in Dubai.
I've been living in Dubai. I've been living in Dubai.
Yeah.
I've been living in Dubai.
I've been
lived in Dubai.
I've been living in Dubai.
I've been living in Dubai.
Nice, say that.
I've been living in Dubai for 7 years. I've been living in Dubai for 7 years. I've been living in Dubai for 7 years.
እቺን ሰዓት ነካካ ደጋግመልኝ አንድ እንዳትቀይራት አምስት ይካልክልኝ ቻው ለሃለሁ በሰላም እንቀጥ
Okay. I've been living in Dubai for 7 years. 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 I've been living in Dubai 7 years.
For 7 years I've been living in Dubai.
For 7 years I've been living in Dubai.
አያቸው ባክዋርድ ራሱ ይመጣል ማለት ነው ፎርዋርድ ነው ባክዋርድ ይመጣል ማለት this is what learning is መማር ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው በቃ መጀመሪያ ላይ ሲመጣ ገና ያ ነበር አሁን ወደፊትም ወደ ኋላም በዚህ ደቂቃ ውስጥ መማር ቻለ ማለት ነው ማመን I have a
thank you so much bro
keep doing what you're doing your English is okay
you teaching English
እንግሊዝኛ ትናገራለህ በእኝ እስኪ
you speak English
ታጨሳለህ በእኝ
you smoking
okay አስተማሪ ነህ በእኝ
you teacher
በስ ከይ መጪሽ አንቺ ቃቶችን ብቻ ይጣራሻቸው ነው የምትሰራቸው ከፊታቸው ምንም የለም you teacher አንተ አስተማሪ ያሽኛለሽ አንተ መናገር ያልሽኛለሽ at least ለዚህ ነገሮች ነገርሽ ነው ወይ ስትይ ታረጋለህ ወይ ስትይ do you know with you okay
yeah okay do you teaching do you
ቀላል እንዳትመስልሽ do you በጣም ትልቅ ነገር ነች
እሷ ማጠቀም እንዳላት ያወቁት እዚህ ሀገር መጥቼ ነው
እና ነው ወይ ደግሞ ስትይ are you ሳለሽ are you
okay
ያግብታል በእኛ
are you married
ይባል ሰማለሽ አረ እርግጠኛ ነህ በእኛ እስኪ
ነበር do you sure are you sure
very good now I said are you know with you honest okay ይበው
are you sure
እስኪ ሀብታም ነህ በእኛ
ሀብታም ነበር
rich
are you rich
very good ታለህ በእኛ
are you drink do you drink
you drink
do you drink
give it let's just nice that's good ታነባለህ በእኛ እስኪ
ታነባለህ do you read and are you read no sorry are you do you okay do you read nothing now too
ara well smart ድገሚ
do you read
ጽፋለህ
do you write
very good nice smart ነህ
are you smart
ይኸውልሽ እንደዚህ ያደረግን ነው ቦታ ምናሽ ዘለሽ ማለት ነው I'm serious ይሄ አሁን የሰጠሁሽ ነገር ካለሽበት ሌቭል አሁን ጀት አልተሰማሽም የሆነ ነገር እንዲህ ወደ ላይ ሲወጥ
እንዴ አዎ
በእንግሊዘኛ ፐርፌክት እንግሊዘኛ አልናገርም በለኛ
I'm not speak perfect English
ነው ተስተካክላትና I don't ታረግልኛለሽ አላረገም ስትል I don't ነው የምትለው I am not ስትል አይደለም እያልክ ነው ያለው so I don't speak perfect English በለኝ እስኪ
I don't speak perfect English
አልጠጣም በለኝ
I don't drink
very good nice what else TikTok አልጠቀምም በለኝ
I'm not use TikTok I don't
yeah
okay I don't use TikTok
very good እንደዚህ ነገሮች አንጓንጓ የሆኑ ነገሮች ናቸው ገብቷል ዋና ነገሮች ናቸው ለዛ ነው እንደዛ መልክ የሞከርኩ ነው ሳይሆን ጥረት ያደረኩ ነው ኮሜንት ተነብነ ያየው ነው ራምዚ አታጭበርብኝ
ያለብኩ አይደለም ያለብኩ አይደለም
ግን የፈጠረው እስካሁን ላይ ወይ ካፕሽን ያ እየጣርኩ ነው ቃሉ ራሱ አላውቀውም ኤፈርት ነው ቃሉ efforting ይባላል I'm making an effort ነው የምትለው በለው እስኪ
I'm making an effort right
English yeah I am making an effort making
ድምጽህ ይረቃል
an effort I'm making an effort right I'm making an effort
they're gonna write it for me like
yeah that's it yeah I'm making an effort yeah that's what it is I'm making an effort to do what to speak English I'm making an effort to speak English say it again
I'm making an effort to do English
to speak English
speaking English
this basic phrase which አሉ ማወቅ የሚኖርብህ ነገሮች ጣር ምናምን I don't know like a lot of them there's a long way to go